How to delete a Snapchat group. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can delete a Snapchat group in your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. First of all, head over to your Snapchat and make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Then tap onto the chat icon on your bottom left. It will show you all the chats that you have. Now tap onto the group that you would like to leave or delete. Once you do so, tap on three-dot icon on your top right. Here you will see various options such as leave group, clear conversation, and cancel invite links. To delete your Snapchat group, tap on leave group. Now it will say that leaving this group will also remove you from its story. Snaps and chat you have sent will be cleared and any charms that you have hidden will be restored. If you would like to continue, then tap on to leave. As you do so, this group has been deleted from your Snapchat account, and this is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.